nomenclature of amines. So here first rules. Again here two naming systems are present, common names and IUPAC names. So what are the rules? In case of common names, here in case of common names, all these amines, they are named as, बघा काय असणार आहे, they are named as alkyl amines. In common name system, all these amines, they are named as alkyl amines. And if more than two alkyl groups, or if here the alkyl groups, they are the same, two or more, here two or more alkyl groups, they are the same, then we have to use the prefix di. If three alkyl groups, they are the same, then we have to use the prefix tri. If different alkyl groups, they are present in this example, if different alkyl groups, they are present, then we have to use the alphabetical order. So in that case, we have to name these alkyl groups in alphabetical order. But finally, here we have to write all these amines like here alkyl amines. So this is the general rules of common name system. Then the second system is IUPAC system. Here IUPAC names. In case of IUPAC names, here the primary amines, they are named differently. Secondary amines and tertiary amines also named differently. So first of all, we start with the naming of primary amines in case of IUPAC system. Here all the amines which are the primary amines, they are named as alkyl amine. That means here first we have to find out the parent alkane. Here we have to find out parent alkane. And from that parent alkane, the ending E is replaced by amine. So the name becomes here, if this is the alkane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, such alkanes are there, then this ending E is replaced by amine. Thus these members, they are named as alkyl amine. Here the locant number, that means the carbon which is attached to the functional group, that means here the NH2 group is the functional group. So the carbon which is attached to the nitrogen, that carbon is named first carbon. In case of chain, in case of long chain primary amines, that carbon is named first carbon. If this nitrogen is attached to the second carbon, then the locant number, it becomes 2. So we have to use, or we have to write these locant numbers before the word amine. So if the locant number is 1, then we have to write that name as alkane, then 1 and then amine. Like this. If locant number is 2, then we write instead of this 1 here 2. So the name becomes alkane to amine. That means propane to amine. Propane. Here propane. Propane's E फक्त काय करायचं? We have to replace. So these are the rules specially for primary amines. म्हणजे हे primary amine चे rules झाले. आता जर समजा हेच काय असेल बघा, सेकंडरी अमाइन असेल, जर समजा सेकंडरी और टर्शरी अमाइन असेल, तर रूल्स काय आहे? सो अगेन हियर वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट, या ठिकाणी सुद्धा आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, हियर वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द लार्जेस्ट अल्किल ग्रुप फ्रॉम दैट अमाइन. Then that largest group, it is the parent, or it becomes the parent. The basic rule is the same. have to remove the ending e. The suffix e is to be replaced by amine. The basic rule is the same, but here we have to find out the parent larger group as a parent, and then the smaller group, it becomes the group. Larger group becomes the parent and smaller member becomes the group. And here we have to consider that smaller group is unsubstituted. That means here, before writing the name of that alkyl group, smaller alkyl group, we have to write the n. What is the meaning? Here n means that group is directly attached to the nitrogen. So that is why it is called as a unsubstituted. In case of secondary, म्हणजे सेकंडरी अमाइन जे असतील तर त्या सेकंडरी अमाइन साठी आपण काय लिहिणार, n आणि पुढे अल्किल ग्रुपचं नाव लिहिणार. इन केस ऑफ टर्शरी अमाइन, टर्शरी अमाइनच्या बाबतीत काय, दिस नायट्रोजन इज अटॅच्ड टू द 3 groups. Out of these 3 groups, the larger group becomes the parent. We have to remove the e and here we have to place the amine word. But these are 2 smaller groups, they becomes n dash alkyl group, and next is again n dash alkyl group. If they are the same, जर ते दोन्ही अल्किल ग्रुप सेम असतील तर आपल्याला काय लिहायला लागेल, n आणि मग पुढे काय, डाय. If 3 alkyl groups they are the same, then we have to write as a tri. But all these members, they are the n substituted. And the basic final rule is the ending e from the parent alkane is replaced by amine. So these are the some rules of this IUPAC system. IUPAC names primary amines, secondary and tertiary amines. ठीक आहे. आता नेक्स्ट आपण काय बघूया की with example, how we name these members with example. So the first is the common names and then the IUPAC names. The few members in first we start with the primary amines. Primary amine आपण start करूया with their common names and IUPAC names. The first member here CH3 NH2. So if the common name and here the IUPAC name we have to write of this member CH3 NH2. Then the second member आपण आधी लिहून घेऊया, the CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. Again here the long chain. The third one is CH3 NH, then CH3. Sorry, here the again we have to write the like this. हे आपण अशा पद्धतीने लिहूया. Here 3 CH3 वेगळं थोडंसं एक्झाम्पल लिहूया. CH3 CH CH3 and H2. ते आता मगाशी लिहिलेले ते प्रायमरी होत नाही. आपण फक्त आपण या ठिकाणी आता काय घेणार आहे, ओनली द प्रायमरी अमाइन्स. नंतर सेकंडरी टर्शरी बघूया. ठीक आहे. आता बघा फर्स्ट मेंबर in case of common name system, the basic rule is all these members they are named as alkyl amines. By using that rule we can write this member as this alkyl group is the CH3, that means the methyl amine. So the name of this member in common name system is methyl amine. Okay. Then the next one, आपण सगळे कॉमन नेम सिस्टम मध्ये बघूया ह्या मेंबरचे सगळे. आता दुसरा मेंबर जो लिहिलेला आहे, या ठिकाणी काय झालेलं आहे, here the 3 alkyl groups are present. When 1 and 2 alkyl groups are there, then there is no problem. But for 3 and more carbon chain, we have to write this chain as a normal chain when it is present in a straight line. So this chain is in straight line, therefore we have to use the prefix n. प्रिफिक्स n लिहायचं त्याच्यानंतर हाऊ मेनी अल्किल ग्रुप्स 3 अल्किल ग्रुप्स आर देयर हियर द पॅरेंट इज प्रोपेन प्रोपेनचा अल्किल झाला प्रोपील सो द नेम बिकम्स n प्रोपील amine so the name is n propyl amine the next member हा जो नेक्स्ट मेंबर आहे त्याचं आता कसं नाव मिळेल बघा इथे काय झालं हियर द 3 कार्बन चेन इज देयर बट this NH2 is the functional group which is attached to the second here the chain is या ठिकाणी काय झालेलं आहे चेन काय झालेली आहे ब्रांच झालेली आहे and in such condition in common name system such condition branch chain at the second point is called as a iso so its name start with the iso after this iso we have to use the alkyl group with the 3 carbon atoms. So 3 carbon atoms having the alkyl group propyl group. But this propyl is isopropyl. So the name becomes isopropyl amine. याचं नाव काय झालं isopropyl amine. लक्षात आलं आता ह्याच मेंबर्स आपण आययुपीएसी सिस्टीम मध्ये नॉमेनक्लेचर बघूया बघा हे बेसिक रूल कॉमन नेमचे आता आययुपीएसी मध्ये काय आपण बेसिक रूल वापरलेला आहे सो ऑल दीज मेंबर्स दे आर नेम्ड ॲज अल्कॅना अमाइन सो वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट पॅरेंट अल्केन रिप्लेस ई बाय अमाइन मग याचा पॅरेंट अल्केन कोण एक कार्बनचा पॅरेंट अल्केन मिथेन मिथेनचं ई रिप्लेस करायचं अमाइन सो द नेम बिकम्स here methane पूर्ण स्पेलिंग नाही लिहायचं ANE रिप्लेस करायचं and write here amine so the name becomes methanamine नेक्स्ट बघा n प्रोपिल अमाइन याचं नाव कसं लिहिणार आहे या ठिकाणी अगेन here we have to find out the parent alkane कोण आहे याचा 3 कार्बनचा कोण आहे प्रोपेन म्हणजे त्या प्रोपेन लिहायचं ई रिप्लेस्ड बाय अमाइन and the first carbon हा जो कार्बन आहे attached to the NH2 so this chain is numbered as 1 2 3 so before writing this amine we have to write the local number 1 म्हणजे आता याचं नाव आपण कसं लिहिणार बघा इथे लिहिते मी so the parent is propane प्रोपेनचं ई लिहिलं नाहीये या ठिकाणी डॅश करायचं here 1 and the amine so the name becomes propan 1 amine आता पुढचा मेंबर आयसोप्रोपिल अमाइनचं नाव कसं येणार बघा so here again while writing IUPAC names we have to find out the longest continuous chain containing here NH2 so here the longest continuous chain we have to number first second third or you can number as a first second third but the NH2 attached to the second carbon so the parent is the propane 3 कार्बनचा alkane propane the parent is the propane but the NH2 attached to the second carbon so the local number changes so the name becomes या ठिकाणी इथं नाव लिहिलं आपण त्याचं so the name is propan 2 आणि पुढं एंड करायचा वर्ड अमाइन म्हणजे फरक काय झाला फक्त प्रोपॅन टू अमाइन ठीक आहे सो दीज आर द फ्यू नेम्स आता याच्या पुढची आपण थोडी नावं घेऊयात बघा थोडी आता वेगवेगळी आहेत हियर द NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 वेगळं आहे आता हे एक्झाम्पल so basically this member is ethylene CH2 दोन कार्बन आहेत तो this group is ethylene दोन अमाइन आहेत म्हणून हा याचं नाव होणार ethylene diamine in common name system मध्ये याचं नाव काय ethylene diamine common name system मध्ये आता IUPAC system मध्ये कसं होणार again we have to number this chain as the first and second or first and second 1 2 याला काय आहे या ठिकाणी दोन अमाइन अटॅच आहे. सो in case of such condition here again we have to write diamine, but the parent's name we have to write here fully without replacing the ending e. So this member is named in IUPAC system as ethene. You have to write the full name. Here the rule changes when more than one NH2 groups, amine groups they are present. Then we have to write the full name of that parent alkane, ethane. Then the numbers, local numbers 1, 2, and then diamine. So this is the IUPAC name of this member. So this is the IUPAC name. Then the next one. आता थोडेसे आपण अजून थोडेसे चेंज करूया. ॲरोमॅटिक घेतले आपण. आपल्याला भरपूर याच्यामध्ये ॲरोमॅटिक मेंबर्स लागतात. द फर्स्ट मेंबर हा असा NH2. So this member in common name system and in IUPAC name system also, this member is named as aniline. So this name is accepted by both these systems. But this member is also having the another common name and another IUPAC name. So in common name system, this group is the phenyl group. So this member is also named as a phenylamine. Alkyl group is the phenyl. So this becomes phenylamine. And in IUPAC system, the benzene ring. So the parent is the benzene. So the name is benzene. ZENE. So this ending E replaced by amine. So its IUPAC name becomes benzeneamine. ठीक आहे. आता जर समजा हाच मेंबर असा असेल म्हणजे विदाउट रिंग, विदाउट अल्टरनेट डबल अँड सिंगल बॉन्ड सिस्टीम, म्हणजे हे असं सायक्लो मेंबर असेल, सायक्लो अल्केन जर असेल हा मेंबर अँड NH2 इज देअर. NH2 तर आहेच आहे, बट दिस इज द not this is aniline. This member is a cycloalkane. So this member in common name system is named as, याचं नाव काय आहे, सायक्लो. कितीची रिंग आहे, 6 कार्बनची, म्हणून तो काय झाला, सायक्लोहेक्झेन झाला. त्याचा अल्किल झाला सायक्लोहेक्झिल अमाइन. So the basic rule is the same, alkyl amine. So alkyl group is the cyclohexyl and the end with the word amine. So this is the common name. In IUPAC system, our rule is we have to find out the parent alkane. Parent alkane cyclohexane, and this cyclohexane attached to the amine. So this cyclohexane ending E replaced by amine. So the name becomes cyclohexane. E replaced करायची and here the word amine. So this is the IUPAC name of this member. हे काय झालं, IUPAC नेम झालं त्याचं. आता नेक्स्ट मेंबर बघा, सेम सिमिलर, ह्याच्यात कन्फ्युजन होऊ शकतं. हे असे 3 मेंबर्स आहेत. Here again the alternate double single bond system, but CH2 group is attached and then NH2. So here not this NH2 directly attached to the benzene ring, but through this carbon. So this is a benzylamine in common name system. This is the benzylamine. Benzylamine in common name system. This is benzylamine. In IUPAC system. In IUPAC system आपण काय समजायचं, suppose this is the carbon which is attached to the group, another group. This is the functional group, but this is the substituted group. So one carbon containing alkane methane. To this methane phenyl group is attached. So this member becomes phenyl. The first is the substituted. The substituent is the phenyl. substituent is the phenyl. Then parent is the methane. From this methane, methane, E replaced by amine. Amine. So the name is phenylmethanamine. So this is all these members. They are the primary. All these members are the primary amine.